Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Categorical Meghalaya Congress Committee Umba Manuel Batwar habakren Shekilat Pathai Kubor haka Pratrik Ujumang Araja Apusan ha Congress Bhavan ulaong baka Jingkynnoh unong aiktin jongga MDA kabaar uba po Lyngdoh bat tan lang ya ka Congress halor ka jingsha kano Donkti Deputy Chief Minister ban beitingka ya ka kenhun leno ka Hnlc National Liberation Army Hnlc Ulaong baka Congress Party kam Donkti AA ha kani ka jingja bat lada kani ka Jingkynnoh ka de ka basisha de ka MDA ka bahapshim ya karai bat uba asnyaw bhalang dahar u haban hiarshuki kum Deputy Chief Minister knang bakata ka jingtokit kan long ka baklem no shilyang bat kan long ka basani bat kan wanra ya ka jingshisha Ulaong baka party kam Donkti AA ruem halor kani ka jingja ban kenno bat pharep kalong tang karukom ban tap edmiaw ya ka jingtulot jong lajong Bat nakalang ka party Congress kanget bat kaap lanu ka sorkar MDA kanong ya uba asnyaw bahalang dahar ban hiarshuki. Shu uloong baka Congress kadai ka seng ka bayeng scam hakinong rim bat Kyntait ban sya kenno baki Donkti bat kileno.
On many social media platforms and especially from mass media point of view, whereby the Congress is unnecessarily being dragged into this controversy which involves our Deputy Chief Minister, Shri Singh Bhalang Dhar, and the spokesperson of NPP, spokesperson of the MDA2 government, right? Whereby he had said that clarification needs to be given by the Congress. We categorically are saying here and vehemently saying that the attempt of the spokesperson to drag MPCC into this controversy surrounding the Deputy Chief Minister's alleged financial links with the ban Hnlc is not only misleading, but we believe that it's a textbook deflection tactic. You know, from a political background which is probably quite old in the playbook, which we believe should not have been done, because we stand by it saying that it's just a manipulation and we totally disagree with it because the party categorically denies any knowledge and any involvement in these alleged activities from this spokesperson. And if it is true, as he said, that he's confident about, then definitely Mr. Singh Bhalang Dhar did not take the consent or even discussion with the party. And that's a known fact. Because of the severity of this accusation, we'd like to also clarify and we demand that there should be a thorough and impartial investigation into this, obviously by relevant authorities, whichever is deemed fit to do such a thing. But we also would like to ensure that there's transparency and there should be no political interference, for which we believe and we call upon Mr. Singh Bhalang Dhar to resign from his ministerial position and of course at once and wait for the pending outcome of this inquiry. And this is very categorically important that we're stating this here, because as a party, the Congress stands very firm in its transparency, in its accountability, and to the rule of the land. We condemn any association with any illegal anti-national activities in the strongest terms and will not tolerate such conduct. The party commits to full cooperation with all authorities, by the way, and trust in the justice will be served and swiftly served through its legal processes. So we are willing to participate and give all needed support. But we need that Singh Bhalang has to step down, because this is not a small allegation. This is a very, very big allegation. It's anti-national in nature. And as a party, we are firm about that. And the party is no way involved in such a thing. It is a personal thing that he has done it, or if he has done it at all. But the accusation is big enough for everything to be taken very seriously. And I think we believe that the authorities should take this with due diligence and ensure that at least it comes to a logical conclusion, which is right for the state, right for the country. And that's all that we are saying from here. As far as the Congress is concerned, definitely we have not been involved. We will never be involved ever. The party stands by that. And if it at all, they are all personal things that belong to some individuals or the other. And for the Congress to be dragged like this is something which we condemn, because we as a party will never indulge in such a thing.